Namaste friends, welcome to this orientation video of live workshop on secrets of natural Vedic self-care. If you want to be more productive with less side effects of harmful chemicals, if you are having multiple responsibilities and have no time to look after yourself, if you are the one who cannot say no to others, are you the one who take more burden on you which is degenerating and helping you age faster? Then you must attend this workshop and take tiny little steps towards keeping yourself fit and healthy. So you will be definitely getting the following benefits by attending the workshop. Number one, you will learn to keep the body away from toxic load, which will ultimately make you more healthy, creative and productive. Number two, you will learn to avoid tiredness. Number three, you will learn to keep your body and mind fresh by providing it the best nourishment based on principles of Mother Nature. Number 4. Pain in the body will be relieved by learning and applying acupressure techniques. Number 5. Instead of retiring directly to bed, you would be able to spend quality time with your family and loved ones and thus connect with real people in your life. Number 6. You will be able to avoid frustration, mental depression, and ultimately early departure due to inability to retain natural functions of the body. So on day 1, we will learn effective eye strengthening exercises, plus focusing rituals, plus very effective natural remedies to keep your eyes and mind cool and fresh. Then on the same day, we will learn neck pain relief exercises plus very effective acupressure points to relieve neck pain instantly. Plus we will learn the exercises to keep our fingers and arms agile and full of energy. Then we will learn about 10 Vedic secrets of healthy eating based on how the Mother Nature works. This can also be related to 10 common mistakes which a person does on a daily basis. Plus, we will learn about the 5 white poisons in our daily life, which we must avoid if we have to come out of vicious cycle of frequently falling in, faster degeneration and early aging. Then we will have the assignment for the day and then we will give some time for the question and answers. So on day 2, we shall learn how this universe is formed. This universe is formed by 5 basic elements. We will also learn about their relevance in our day-to-day life. Then we will learn about the step-by-step process of how we fall ill. Then we will try to understand milk and consequences of consuming milk available in the market today. Then we will learn about 5 amazing herbs which can heal you from many illnesses. Then we will learn about the most abused element of our body and how to maintain it in the body to survive and live healthily. Then we will learn about the very powerful therapy in naturopathy, which is hydrotherapy. So this can actually relieve you of many diseases, which can actually save thousands of rupees per year. Then we will learn about how toxins get accumulated inside the body. Thus, we will learn the importance of detoxification. Then we will have the assignment for the day and question and answers. On day 3, we will learn about very important topics. So we will learn about PCOS or PCOD, why it is becoming common and how we can completely reverse it, plus how we can prevent the relapse. Then we will learn about the mud therapy. This is also a wonderful therapy which have many benefits in making the body alkaline and relieving hyperacidity, PCOD, ulcers, stress, pain and skin problems. Then we will learn, instead of paying lakhs for medical care, how we can utilize fasting therapy. Then I will be providing a guide to prevent varicose veins. Then we will understand calcium and related disorders. and then I will be explaining in detail juice treatment for 10 chronic illnesses, and then we will also have assignment for the day, which will follow with question and answers. So these 3 days of learning will give you clarity of principle-centered living. After this workshop, I will be personally guiding you in making healthy changes and implementing the learning related to your personal health issues and challenges. Plus, you will get access to weekly live sessions on certain topics in depth for next 1 year. And all of this is provided to you in just rupees 499. The fees and the content will be revised in next workshop. The dates and timings are provided in the Google form, which you are requested to fill with your details of personal health issues. So see you live in the workshop. Thank you.